Look at this clip. Atletico Madrid is building up in 4-1 shape. Ball goes wide and both forwards drop to receive the ball from fullback. Griezmann do a quick 1-2 here with right winger and Llorente carry the ball to pass it into the box for a half chance. Usually only one forward drop in between the lines and other one stay ahead to push off the defense line. But in Atletico Madrid, both Griezmann and Alvarez drop while wingers stay ahead for a long ball or quick link up. This is something similar to what De Zerbi used at Brighton. But is it also true for other tactical roles? Let's find out. Atletico Madrid performed exceptionally well in their last games as they knocked out Barcelona from Copa del Rey in a 2-match tie, and they also defeated Tottenham in Champions League, again leading to a 2-leg thriller with Barcelona for a place in semis. In Atletico Madrid, Diego Simeone used 4-4-2 formation. They are making a significant difference due to some key players like Marcos Llorente, Julian Alvarez, Adolo Lookman, and Antonio Griezmann. In build-up, they usually start with the back four, and as they move the ball around, one fullback move ahead to join the attack. Now here, role of Griezmann and Alvarez is very crucial to create a central overload. As the ball goes wide, opponents shift to that side, and center forward Griezmann, Alvarez find the space to receive the ball for a quick link up. The two wingers stay ahead to receive long ball from midfielder. For example, in this clip, Atletico have the ball in build-up phase with 3-2 shape as Llorente is high up the pitch. Ball goes to wide centre back and opponent try to block Llorente, leaving space for Griezmann to receive the ball in center. Then he pass it to Llorente to attack in final third with 5 players in spot. Again in this clip, centre back have the ball with Llorente in spot, and this time left back is ahead of his position. As centre back carry the ball, left back moves inside, making space for Lookman to receive the ball. Due to movement of Griezmann, Atletico have 3 players in center to outnumber Betis midfield. Again here, Atletico is building up from the back, and as the ball goes wide on the left flank, opponents shift to that side to block the progression. Atletico change the flank to Llorente, and Griezmann receive the ball by moving across the pitch. In this time, Atletico midfielders also push ahead to attack in a 5v4 situation in final third. The role of wingers is also very crucial in these situations. As Griezmann and Alvarez drop to receive the ball, wingers have to stay ahead, hitting the opponent fullback for a long ball threat. If wingers stay back, then it will become very congested in the center, and Atletico players will not get much space to receive the ball for quick link-ups. For example, here, Atletico is moving the ball in build-up as holding mid receive the ball and Griezmann drop to receive it. Simeone makes the run for a quick pass from Griezmann. To stop this, opponent fullback is also following Simeone, leaving more space for Griezmann to hold the ball and pass it to free man, and Atletico transition from build-up to mid-block. Role of Llorente in mid-block needs proper explanation. Llorente can play as right back, midfielder and a winger. As a right back, he can overlap Simeone on the wing, providing a passing option for long ball threat. While moving the ball around, he moves slightly inside to take better control of possession and pass distribution. By being too wide on the flank, his actions are limited. But when he is in this half space, he can combine with more players to influence the play. He can move high up the pitch to receive the ball in between lines, or he can also create overload in a specific area for ball progression. For example, in this clip, Llorente is inside while other players receive the ball on the flank. Llorente pass it to Simeone and move forward to receive a long pass from Alvarez for a cross into the box. Again here, centre back have the ball wide on the right and Llorente is in midfield. As Simeone drop down on the flank, withdrawing opponent left back, Llorente run into that space to receive a long pass from centre back and pass it to Griezmann to score. Lookman's presence on the left wing is the source of creating chances in final third. Lookman combined with the spot of left back, which provide him the freedom to move inside, is really compelling to create goal scoring opportunities. For example here, left back holding mid joins Lookman on the left side to create a temporary overload. Lookman receives the ball for a quick pass to left back, who carries it into the box for a cutback which led to a goal. Overall, Diego Simeone is managing Atletico Madrid in a great fashion as they are emerging for victory in Copa del Rey and a great chance in Champions League. But what do you think of it? And will Atletico Madrid go past Barca again, this time in Champions League? Comment below. Leave like, subscribe, and thanks for the watching.